Hello friends, welcome to ASAP German Language Institute. My name is Anand and this is the 11th video of our complete series of Goethe A2 exam preparation. With this video, we are starting with our Schreiben module of A2 exam of Goethe, and in this video, we are going to discuss Teil 1 of Schreiben module. So let's check how is Teil 1, and you have to keep your pen and notebook ready for this module because it is Schreiben module. Okay, so see you then with the question paper. So here we have our Schreiben module, A2. Yeah, and we are going to see here what exactly we have, and I will explain the type of question in detail. So Schreiben module, it takes around 30 minutes. It is for 30 minutes, and you have two parts in this. Zwei Teile. Zwei Teile, two parts only. Teil 1, Teil 2. What is Teil 1? Let's see here. In Teil 1, you have to write one SMS, and mostly this SMS will be informal, means you are writing it to your friends. And here, particularly this style ein, what is this exactly? Sie sind unterwegs in their start, means you are traveling in the city. Und schreiben ein SMS an ihre Freundin Ekaterini. And you are writing one SMS to your friend. She's female friend. And her name is Ekaterini. So 3 points you need to include in SMS. Entschuldigen Sie sich, dass Sie zu spät kommen. That means you are getting late to meet her, and say sorry that you are coming late. Schreiben Sie warum. You also have to mention in that SMS why you are getting late, reason. And nennen Sie einen neuen Ort und eine neue Uhrzeit für das Treffen. Treffen is visit, meeting. Nennen, tell, say, or suggest. You have to tell a new place and a new timing. Okay, so you have to suggest a new place, a new timing in the SMS. So it's quite simple. You will say, I'm sorry, I'm getting late because of this. That is second point covered. And third one, can we meet at this place at this time? So this you have to do in 20 to 30 minutes. Sorry, 20 to 30 words, not minutes. So within 30 words you should be able to cover all these 3 points, not more than 30, not less than 20. Okay, so we will see here what answers Goethe has given already, the sample answer, and then you have to write the second question paper answer, question from the next question paper. So you have to write the answers in comment box. So let's see what is given here. Aufgabe 1. SMS started. Hello Ekaterini. This is one example. Sample answers are given here. So here, hallo Ekaterini, tut mir leid, ich bin im Stau, komme später. Treffen uns 7 Uhr auf Hauptbahnhof, bis später. So everything quite short. It is literally like you are in a hurry and you are just typing the important words, message. Like, sorry, I'm late. Sorry, ich bin im Stau. So reason is given. Komme später. I'm coming late. Stau means traffic jam. So I'm sorry, I'm in traffic jam, coming late. Treffen uns. Here it should be treffen wir uns. Okay, but now when it is SMS or WhatsApp text, we do not consider mostly the grammar part. So in actual, normal communication, this will be okay. But I would suggest here treffen wir uns. Okay, why? Because it is a reflexive verb. So it should be treffen wir uns. 7 Uhr auf Hauptbahnhof. And it is expected that you are asking. So there should be question here, be better. Okay, if she's your friend, then you need not to mention your name and all at the end of the message because you are already in contact. Okay, so but still this SMS is quite short. You can see it is less than 20 words. So let's go to the second sample answer. Hallo Ekaterini, Entschuldigung für die Verspätung. So, hi, I'm sorry for the delay or I'm getting late. Ich habe den S-Bahn in die falschen Richtung genommen. I took the subway train in the wrong direction. So here you are giving the reason why you are late. Können wir in Alexanderplatz treffen? Can we meet at Alexanderplatz? Ich kann in 30 Minuten hier sein. I can be here in 30 minutes. So you also can write here ich kann in 30 Minuten da sein. Da means there at that place. So both are correct, here or da. Dankeschön und bis später. So this one is close to 30 words and everything is covered properly. So this SMS will be considered as correct answer here. Okay, so you can check that. You can see how is it given. And now we will see the second question paper that you have to write. Okay, so here is your question now. And what is the situation? Let's read. Sie sind letzte Woche umgezogen. Umgezogen means you shifted from one place to another one. Mostly here considered as flat or your house. Okay, from one house to another house you shifted. Und wohnen jetzt in einer neuen Wohnung. And now you are living in a new apartment. Schreiben Sie Ihrem Freund Leonard. Okay, write to your friend whose name is Leonard ein SMS. You are writing SMS. So what all you need to consider? Informieren Sie ihn. Inform him, wo Sie jetzt wohnen. Now inform him where you are living now. So you will say, hi, I have shifted and now I am living at this place, or my new apartment is at this address. So you can give a short address, okay? Max kind of name of the area. That's it. And you can even literally use here Indian addresses or Indian, like whichever city you are in. Let's say you are in, suppose, Pune. Then you can say I shifted in Chinchwad, Pune, or I shifted in Kothur, Pune, Vimannagar, Pune. So like this, in short. Schreiben Sie, was Ihnen dort gefällt. You have to also mention max in one sentence. What do you like about that new apartment or new house? What do you like? So you can say, now I have balcony, or I have terrace, or I have garden, or this is at the center place, center location, or you can say it is near my workplace, or whatever you think of. But don't try to be a lot creative here and waste time in thinking. Okay, anything that you would like, you can literally consider about your place right now. Okay, what do you like about that, and you can mention the same thing here. Okay, laden Sie Ihren Freund in die neue Wohnung ein. Invite your friend in the new apartment. Okay, then you can say, können wir am Wochenende treffen? Wir haben Party. Yeah, oder ich koche etwas. I will cook something. So in short, you have to write here around 3 sentences. Okay, and should not exceed 30 words. Try to use at least one grammar topic in this SMS. By the way, the SMS is not expected to be, proper grammatical long sentence, but it, even if you are using a short sentences, grammatically it shouldn't be wrong. So that should be enough for this. And I hope you will go on writing now the answers. You can pause this video here and write your answer somewhere in Word file or somewhere else, and then copy and paste in the comment box. Read others answers also. This will help you a lot. When you write, you feel like, okay, I'm not getting any idea to write, and when you read others answers, you feel like, yeah, actually there are so many ideas, only different brains think different way, right? So now here you have to submit the answers in comment box. Let's see what examiners have given. You can see this one example. I suggest you write your own answer first and then read this. Hallo Leonard, mir geht es gut, weil ich eine praktische Wohnung gefunden habe, because I have found a very convenient apartment. Sie ist klein, aber sie liegt im Zentrum und das ist so toll. It is small, but it is located at central location and it is so nice. So good. Wann könntest du mich besuchen? When can you meet me? Du kannst in meinem Zimmer schlafen. You can sleep in my room. So usually there, when they invite guests, they also have to mention if their guests are staying overnight, where they are going to sleep, their arrangement, how you're making. So that should be confirmed. Okay, so then Bisbal, Dine, Georg, you write your name there. Okay, so this is one sample, and second one looks kind of incomplete or very short, so you should ignore that one. Aber but you can just go through it. Okay, I will say ignore the second one. The first one is correct, but try to have your own idea. Now, try that you must not include the same sentences in your answer. If you have seen this before you write the answer, then do that. Share your answers in the comment box and let's see how you have written that. Okay, so choose. So guys, that was our Schreiben module Teil 1 of Goethe A2 exam. I hope you understood everything in detail very well, how to write the Teil 1, and you got your answers ready of the second question paper that you have solved, and the comment box is waiting. Write down your answers in the comment box and also read other students' comments, their answers. You will get better ideas to write next time. Okay, so now we'll see each other in our next video that will be Schreiben Teil 2.